Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later issue on your Instagram. So guys, if you're facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram on your device. So guys, search for Instagram and now get the latest version of Instagram on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Instagram and then go to your profile and then tap on three lines button and now scroll it below, and from here you have to simply keep going and now go to account status and check your account status. Here you can see what you can do. So guys, you can see this, if you're above 18 you can do anything from here, and here you can see this features you cannot access or you cannot use, you can see them here. So guys, here you can see this, if there is any issue in here, then you have to simply ask the Instagram team to remove restrictions on your account, and after this you will be able to use them very easily. So guys, check this, and after this go back and go to your profile and account center and then go to your profiles, and from here you have to go to date of birth and make sure that you are above 18 on your Instagram. So guys, if your age is less than 18 years, then you will not be able to use some features on Instagram. So guys, make sure that you are above 18 to use all the features on Instagram. So guys, if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Instagram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.